Okay everyone, so today we will have the food, the Cambodian fried noodle with fish, and here is some ingredient, and this one is for condiment. This one is chili sauce, salt, palm sugar, chicken powder, and seasoning oil, also oyster sauce, and this one pepper, and this one is chili flake, and this one is olive oil. So let's enjoy all together and have a look how to do this. So now we add the salt. After we boiling the water already, we add some vegetable. This one is carrot. So why we need to add the carrot first? Because normally the carrot is a little bit tender than another vegetable. So now we add some green vegetable. If you don't have the green vegetable, you can use a baby bok choy or choy sam also. So now we add some Chinese cabbage. And now we drop the chili flower. Okay, now our vegetable is cooked already. And we add some little bit olive oil. So why we need to add some little bit of olive oil? Because we want to keep the vegetable is looking fresh. So now we bring it to the strain. Keep it another side, and you going to making some more ingredient. So now we're starting to mix the egg yolk to the noodle. Normally you can use fresh noodle or homemade noodle, or you can use the instant noodle, up to you. So we mix up all together is well. So now we add a spoon of oil. You can hear sound. So now time to making the sauce of the noodle. So we adding the chopping garlic. Add some vegetable that we cooked already. A little bit of salt, chicken powder, a little bit of pepper, and this one especially for Cambodian favorite is the palm sugar. Oyster sauce. Soya sauce and chili sauce. So we're stirring it for the ingredient and condiment is mixed up all together, and add some little bit of water. So when our sauce is boiling, we add a little bit more of cornstarch to make our noodle sauce is a little bit tasty. So now time to add our noodle and mix with our noodle sauce. Stir it well.